Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Motorola baby monitor night vision not working. Okay. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, check the room lighting. Make sure the room is completely dark for night vision to work. Okay. As any light from the other room can interfere with the night vision feature, you can try covering any window or turning off any nearby light to ensure the room is dark. Okay. And then check for the interference. If the night vision is still not working, check for any interference from the other device that may be operating on the same frequency. This can include Wi-Fi router, Bluetooth systems, or microwave ovens. Keep the baby monitor at least 5 feet away from this type of product or turn them off if they appear to be causing the interference. Okay? And then stop to follow the checking for the interference. First of all, turn off any nearby device that may be causing the interference. Move the baby monitor to different location if possible. Then test the night vision feature to see if the interference has been resolved. Then allow the camera to readjust. If you are having recently switched from the day to night mode, allow the camera a few seconds to readjust and then check the video on the monitor. The night vision issue should be resolved. Okay. And then reset the night vision. Locate the pair button on the back of the camera unit. Press and hold the pair button while turning the camera on. Continue holding the pair button until the camera status light turn off and then on again. Release the pair button once the status light is on again. Okay. So this is the all step. Thanks guys.